Òrè lòrè wọ́tọ̀ ọmọkùnrin kan tó kọ rẹ̀ jẹ́ Micheal Spyder tí máa ń ṣe prank lórí Instagram ló wọlé ìtajà kan tá a mọ̀ sí mọ́ọ̀lù lórí bá àwọn tí ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọbìnrin tó kọ́kọ́ rí ńlẹ̀ ń wò yìí tó fún un ní kinní yìí pé dákun ìyá mo fẹ́ rà á fọmọ mi àmọ́ ń lò ó lọ́wọ́ ìyá níwò ìbọ́jẹ́ tiẹ̀ ó jàre kò sówó lọ́wọ́ mi ó ṣe kágára rẹ̀ lọ́nu bàbá tó wá rí yìí ńlẹ̀gbọ́n tó wọjà lámìà yìí ló wá gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé wò èló ni ó ló wá sọ fún un pé ó dá mọ̀ ó sì sọ pé ó rà á fún mi irú èèyàn báyìí irú èèyàn bíi tiẹ̀ ọmọ sọ̀wọ́n èèyàn dáadáa ni ọ́ kì í ṣe pé n ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀mi ṣe máa ń ṣe prank mi kiri ẹni tó bá ti sọ pé yẹ́ẹ̀sì fún mi ọgbọ́n tó ń bá rà níjọ́ náà èmi ní ìsanwó rẹ̀ bọ́mọkùnrin yìí bó ṣe ra ti àáfàá yìí àbí bọ̀dá yìí àbí aláàjì yìí bó ṣe ra gbogbo ohun tí ọ̀rọ̀ àǹjọ́ náà nu wò ká mọ̀ sí dáadáa orí ńlọrẹ́ wọ́tọ̀ lẹ́ o Yorubareports náà ni ẹgbọ́n tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm trying to get this for my baby. He's like 7 months old, but I don't have cash on me now. I don't know if you'd help me pay for this. You didn't budget for it. Sir? Hello? Can you help me pay for this, please? It's for my child. It's 700. Okay, I should put it here. Okay, thank you very much. Wait. Can I ask something? Why did you say yes to me? You don't even know who I am.
I don't need to know who you are. Just help me out. That's all.
I was actually looking for the first person that was going to be willing to help me buy something. Because of that, I want to pay for everything you're going to buy today.
Okay.
No, fine. I'm doing.
Okay.
No. This is what I do. I go out and I meet people to help me. And the first person that helps me, I give the person out something. So today I'm going to pay for anything you're going to buy today.
Sure?
I'm sure. This is all you want,
No,
right?
that's all.
Yeah, that's all you're buying. Okay. What's the message to the world?
Things are a bit hard for everyone right now. Well, I didn't know you, so I was trying to help you out to just buy what you need. But then you helped me out.
Thank you.
I'm really grateful.